Hello everyone. So we got a T3 buy and there is a pullback. So what do you think about GC? Okay, let's go and take a buy. We took a long position on GC. Again, the reason is again the same thing. We have buyers here, we have buyers here. Trend is bullish, volume is bullish. Price came to the T5 line. Trend is bullish, momentum bullish. This is green, this is blue. Volume is good. That's it. We can go long. Our price pulse line is blue. T5 line is blue, T3 line is T3, T5, everything is green. So as long as all of them are green, blue, then that means overall it is bullish. If price goes below them, we can take a stop loss. As long as candle is above our price pulse line, we can hold our trade. So this is the price pulse line. Still only the wick touched the price pulse, but still the body is above the price pulse line. So that's why we are still holding it, holding GC. In the US time frame, I can use 5 minutes. Generally, during this time, I can either use 2 minutes or 3 minutes because volume will be little choppy. So if we get a green candle, we can add one more position to GC. Or if we get a T3 buy now, we can add one more position and average it out. We can add a stop loss below this. Our target can be somewhere. We already added a target here around 2901. Then we can look at any other alerts. So we got a buy on NKD. This is looking good. This is looking good. You can go and take a buy. I took a long position on NKD. Right, again the same reason. right? Volume is looking good. Here we have green, we have blue, T3 is green, now T5 is green. As of now, we are holding GC and we are holding NKD, both long positions. I put my target at 37,115. So I bought at 37,090. Every tick is $25. So that is nearly $150 if it goes to 37,115. We took nearly $150 plus on that. Yet again, it has more potential to go up, but again, we are looking for 150, $100 with every trade. Yes, also is looking good. So we have buyers here, we have buyers here, we have some buyers here. This is, thank you. Okay, also looking good. It took a long, thank you. Because we can see a lot of buyers here. There are buyers here. Again, you can see, right? There are buy orders here, buyers here. P3 is green, P5 is green. Your volume is green. Your T55 is blue. Your T5 is green. So that is a perfect confluence. GC took a stop loss. Generally, if NQ is looking good, your ES also will be good. So we can go to ES and we can take ES long. Like the profits on NQ, we can because we also have ES. Right, I hope you're getting it. So you can trade independently, right? It came all the way to the bottom. If this green dot, that means buyers took the control from sellers. If there is a nice gap, that means this trend can continue for more time. Then here, if you see, all this time sellers took the control, then buyers took the control from, right? It is like a, right, from the bottom, they are going to the upside. So that means it is in a uptrend now. So if it is, this is like zero level. If it goes up, that means it is completely bullish. So slowly from minus 6, it went to 0. Now it is going further up. Yeah. Yes, he's also making nice profits. Yeah, that's it, everyone. We made nearly 400 plus $400 with ES and Q and KD. And KD also going further up. In Q also going good. Yeah, that's it, everyone. It is just like 30 minutes. Right? In 30 minutes, we made nearly $500. So, again, if you have five accounts, that is $2,500. So, anyone has any quick questions? Yeah, hi, Vandana.
Yeah, sorry, this is Sunil. Um, I have a
Yes.
probably I sent email also. I think I'm kind of following from patterns. I start on this is my second day. I'm just observing rather than doing any trading yet. Where I'm struggling is today I wanted to do the ES1. I understood the setup, but how do I know what's the target when I'm trying to say buy now? It's asking me for uh, profit, stop loss. How do you preset them so we can do trading in the live sessions?
No, so are you seeing this tab?
Yes, oh, okay. Instead of DOM, I was in order. Okay,
Right. So you have to just go here, go to settings, and
okay,
then there will be something called instant order placement.
okay. So that is part one of the question. Two, yesterday also, so when the confluence is there,
Hmm.
what exactly are we buying? Like when it is going down, are we when this one is like a buying a call order, right? Call option.
It is not options. Basically, it is just like you think like you are buying a stock.
Okay, so we buy right when we click there and say buy the PP buy, whatever is the value of the market, it just buys
Right at that price. Yeah.
at that price. And when we want to sell, you just click the sell button and we are done.
That's it. Yeah.
And
Right.
when
You
going
are at a
down,
bottom. You see that lot of big companies are buying here.
correct.
You see, you got a T3 buy. Our T3 is green. Our T5 is green. Our PP buy. So because of all that confluence, we got a confidence. Just click on buy button.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yesterday, when the market was going down, we did trades on the negative market. So is it like we are selling and when the
Right.
market
Yeah.
goes down, we buy it back?
That's it. Yeah. You don't need, right? You can sell, even though you don't have it, you can first sell it
Yeah,
and then buy back at a lower price.
got it. Okay. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay. I know you were doing, I'm like, okay, because I come from, I used to do options. I'm like, okay, what's the target price at which we are buying? I was like, not able to figure it out while I was observing. So, okay, so it's all market buy, market sell in this context.
Right. Because we are also copying to multiple other child
I
accounts.
have not yet done. I'm just doing with one account that
Right.
I.
If you are doing only one, you can also put limit orders. I can say that, okay, if ES comes here, I want to buy. Or if ES goes here, I want to sell. That is a limit order. Your
Yes.
order may get filled, may not get filled.
Mm, okay.
So but
So
if I want to copy to my child accounts, I want to make sure order gets filled in all the accounts. Otherwise, it may fill in my leader, but not in my child accounts.
child accounts, yeah. So
So
that it
that's
has to
why
be targeted to do it
you're
in
right.
the.
Yeah. But
Yeah,
when
yeah.
we do
That
market, it will get filled in all the accounts.
makes sense. Okay. So this piece I got, and I because I was on basic yesterday, it was really very painful to get the confluence understand. So I just upgraded overnight, and now I think I have the setup to understand. It's just that the graph reading the graphs little bit takes experience, I guess, little bit more. But the price range, when I try to change, I feel like my whole graphs are going haywire. So I'm like, especially the T55 on the top, trying to find that confluence, that line. I feel like it's way too down, or not to be seen. I can see the T5, uh, the bars where the buyers are, or is it in the sell zone, and the RCA price pulse. But the T5, which is the top one, either that's not in, like I'm looking at the same ES1. I have My graph looks little different.
Okay, maybe tomorrow you join the setup session will help you.
Sure. Yeah, yeah. I was thinking of today's setup session also, but I didn't have any link to join at 4 p.m.
If
CST.
you're in premium channel, then we post that link every day.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I will join tomorrow and see what I'm missing. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Arif.
Hey Kishore, can you?
Mm.
I have a couple of questions today. So I joined as a panelist, right? I can't share my screen yet.
No, what is your question?
So I have like a Bullnox, right? I have a master account. I thought it is already blown out, but looks like it's still active, even though I have my 40% consistency. It is minus 281. I can still trade this account. That's what I want to just show
Yeah,
you
as long as it is
because the
accepting that. Mhm. Yeah, you can
accepting
trade it.
orders, we can still
Mm.
trade it. Because
Right.
in Tradify, it is clearly showing that that funded account is failed. This Bullnox is not showing anything. Like just in the reports, it shows that 281 with the red letters, which is minus. But I can still
Mhm.
see the balance is there. I can place orders, so I can still continue to use that, right?
That is right. Yeah.
Okay. So how do I see the reports like Tradify and all? This one doesn't show clearly, right?
Order cancel. No, this one doesn't show reports.
So then take profit is the best one. Then it shows clearly, right? So
Right. Yeah.
take profit, you mentioned this morning, like we can take that 50K account for $119. It is still better than that $85 option with 50%
Right.
earlier.
Because you don't pay any PA or anything, right? Later, so it is like with $119, you are getting right. If you trade careful, right? Especially if you trade in the evenings, it is much more easy rather
Okay.
than in the mornings because suddenly today also there's
Right,
sudden
right.
news. We
So
never know.
also, Elite Trader has like 350 or something for activation. I just realized that while taking, I didn't realize.
No, but
So,
monthly you can take monthly $80. If you are
oh,
making $1,000, $2,000 every month and paying $80 is not a problem.
okay. So monthly. So, okay. I
Yeah.
just took it like yesterday to while activating, I just saw that it is 350 or something like that.
Yeah, you can go with monthly option.
So take profit is like 80 instead of 85, we can just pay no activation for that, right?
Right, yeah.
Okay. I think that's all
No,
for now. Yeah. Thank you.
even if your account fails, even if you reset your account also, there won't be any activation for that account.
Oh, the failed account?
No, failed account, you will pay the reset fee. But even if you fail once and now you convert that to a PA account,
Uh-huh.
you don't need to pay the PA fee again.
Oh, PFE again. So the
Yeah.
direct funded account I blow out. So I just need to keep that subscription or cancel it.
If you want, you can reset that funded account also.
Oh, we can reset because it is expiring. Oh, it says expire on 21st of Feb itself. Okay. Because it's blown.
But
Okay.
generally, take
That's
profit trader, you can reset even your funded accounts.
with take profit. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not all the companies allow, but take profit trader allows you to reset for 3 times.
Oh, reset 3 times. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it doesn't give like a pro account or anything. When I go there, it just asks me to select like a trader weight and 50K, 150K. All these are pro accounts or what?
In
Like,
Tradify, you
sorry.
can you can choose evaluation accounts. You can choose pro. If it is sim funded, that means it is a pro account.
No, no, in Tradify it is very clear. In Take Profit, it doesn't show anything. Start a new test when I do,
Yeah.
it take
You
me.
don't have you don't have direct pro accounts in take profit trader. You have to
Oh,
start with evaluation, then
okay. So this is standard. Okay, got it. Only Tradify allows all those. Okay.
right.
Okay, that's all, Kishore. Thank you.
Yeah, Karthik, do you have a question?
Evaluation is completed is when we go to funded account.
Right.
And they will let us know that your evaluation is clear. Now you can take funded account.
Right. Yeah,
Oh,
they'll send you an email. Congratulations, you completed your challenge. They will ask you to sign a contract.
got it. Okay. Because I yet to do a trade. I just started with Elite Trader yesterday, one account. So I
Right.
need to set up my Ninja Trader, that whole install on a Mac. So I don't have Windows. So that's why it's I didn't sign up with anything else yet. Yet I need to finish that so I can do the Replicanto setup.
Right. Right.
Okay, this has been
Mm.
very useful. Yesterday I was a little confused. Today is much more clear. I can see the lines come through. But
Right.
I
Yeah.
want probably
It's
tomorrow
all
set up.
about, yeah, taking
Yeah.
some time to understand, right? It is like if everything is green, you go and click on buy. If everything is red, you go and click on
When
sell.
do you sell? Like okay, let's say right now it's also kind of all three are in green and 58735 I buy now. When what indicator tells okay it's time to sell? Is it
For
just based
example,
on
right, this is like a consolidation window. It is if you see, it is like a rectangle where it is going up and down.
yeah,
So this is like a top of the box. So
correct.
once price goes there, we can take the profits. Or you are right. For example, this lines turn to red, or
Oh,
your
okay.
price pulse turn to red. Right? This is our main. So this one is our main one. If price pulse turn to red, that means it became bearish. Until that
Got
time,
it.
you can continue to hold it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Because right now, if I understand, because our it's not a PP buy, but from a lining point of view, all of them are in greens.
Right. Yeah, it went all the way up, but then there was a small pullback because some people are booking profits. So again, it came, touched the line, and again it is going up. So that's why I entered long one more time.
Got it. Okay.
So if you see the confluence, your volume is still very bullish. You have
Oh, that's
63%, 60.
okay. Okay.
So that
So
means there are still many buyers who want to buy this one.
it's a T3 buy now instead of PP buy. What does that tell? Like from a T3 it is buy, but PP is not yet giving a
No,
buy.
PP already gave a buy. T3 will
Okay.
give multiple buys. If you miss this initial, right, if first T3 gave a buy,
Yeah,
then PP will wait for some more filter criteria, and then it is saying, okay, now PP is also telling it is buy. So if you missed this one, T3 will give multiple buys. When it is going up, if it thinks that it is going up, it may give one more buy. So if you
got
miss
it.
this buy or this buy, you can enter one
Got
more time here. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
sure. Yeah, Karthik, do you have a question? Yeah, Basha, do you have a question?
Hi, Kishore. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. So, one thing is that, right, so I already blew
Ready?
couple of accounts today because of the Yash long. So, I didn't see these bars, vertical bars, right, which you have second indicator. So I choose three indicator plan, but I am not getting this one. Only and also this box, there's volume box, right? I'm still getting the older one like a box with a red triangle. I
Right.
mean,
So if you have a three indicator plan, you will get price pulse T5, T55.
yeah, I'm not getting this one T3, I think. Uh,
Yeah, because price pulse T5, T55 are the top three.
okay.
Then
Uh,
the fourth one is like a T3.
okay. I have that top trend, price pulse, and TI2. That's the one I have. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
And I requested for the change for this March 1st. I'm still seeing them.
Yeah,
I'll
you can put your username. I'll give access to T55.
okay. I'll get back to you on that. But and also I know I'm trying to control my emotions, but couldn't find. Always I'm blowing up. Is there any mantra you can say that first get it and don't see it and leave it? Because whenever I complete it, that is where it is reverse trending. It is going back again. So just now you see GC, right? It is again came back, and I closed the GC last minute, and from there it is coming up and all the together to um, the price which we talked about.
Right, right.
So
So it's all about the experience, right? Once you see that, oh, it is every day, if we are looking all these things, it is working good. So once you get
oh,
that confidence, then you won't feel panic.
okay, okay,
And so if you see that, okay, we took ES, we made profits. We took NQ, we made profits. We took NKD,
yes,
we made profits. So all we are doing is, okay, we are looking, okay, year by years, year by years, year by years, year. So then, even though there might be a small drop, we don't need to panic because still this is
okay,
bullish, these are bullish. So as you watch and as you trade, as you practice, then once you get the confidence, then yeah, basically you'll be very successful. Until that
oh,
time, if we trade without understanding the logic, you feel panic, you will close it. But once you know that, oh, there are a lot of, right, all there are thousands of big companies are trying to buy thousands of contracts of ES. Then these are some more buy orders. If you see green
mm,
rectangle, more buy orders. Then here you can see again a bullish. You can see another bullish. You can see these are bullish. You can see this is bullish. These are bullish. So because of all these things, you can control your emotions and hold your confidence.
okay, Kishore, thank you.
Yeah.
Sure, one question. The table on the T3, right? I'm using two charts. Is there a way to hide that on one chart? Like the dashboard, right? I have price pulse, I can hide it. But
Yeah,
T3,
same thing. You
no,
can
I
you can
can't hide it.
go to T3
Yeah, when I go to T3 on the top
and then
position,
go to style and you just click on tables.
huh?
You
Oh,
uncheck the table.
in the style. Okay, I was looking in inputs. Okay.
If you uncheck tables, then it won't show the
Um, in the style, I have only precision, labels and price scale like that.
tables. You will have tables.
In T3, right?
hmm If you uncheck tables, then it won't show any tables to you.
Okay. So in the style, you have tables. I see only like buy, sell. Oh, got it, got it. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kishore, can you hear me now?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Kishore. So first thing is I'm on that 5 indicator plan,
hmm
and will I get T3 or will I not get T3?
Yeah, if you are in 5 indicator plan, you can choose T3.
Can you like give me T3 indicator, Kishore garu?
Yeah, what is your
The
user?
Rayala,
What is
RAYA,
I think
RAYALA, Vicky, VICKY. Yeah, yeah.
you already have
And
it. You have to log out and log in.
okay, sure, I'll do that. And second thing is like I saw your session yesterday. I got two take profit accounts and one elite fund
Mhm.
account. I have a Mac and I want to set up that Replicanto. I've already zelled the amount for Replicanto.
Mhm.
So do I have to manually like install that Windows on Mac for sure or not
Yeah,
needed?
I shared a video, right? How to do that.
Ye- Okay, I'll follow that. Like I just wanted to ask you, is
Yeah,
it
and
mandatory to install
yeah,
that?
you had to do that VMware thing. Yeah.
Okay. I'll do that. And Kishore, the same question the other guy asked, right? Like I was also in GC with you and we took stop loss.
Right.
And this morning I was going good actually, but then I blew off because of NQ. Uh, I did
Right.
not have a stop loss. I actually was like from last 3 days, I was very consistent going good, but in the last moment, because of NQ, one mistake, like it
Mhm. Right.
blew my account. So
Especially if you are new traders, don't even try to take NQ, use MNQ. Second
okay,
thing is US hours is generally risky because especially with Trump in rule, we never know what type of news can come at any point of time. Suddenly there might be something on tariffs or something on Ukraine, Russia, or China. We never know. So better, right? If we can make $500-600 in 1 hour in the evening time, and you copy into
okay.
10 accounts, 20 accounts, that will become $5,000-6,000. So why to take risk when there is lot of volatility, sudden up and downs? So better,
Yeah, I mean, in like when I do it, I'm trying to be very cautious, like, but still I'm blowing out. When I'm seeing that PP buy, I'm waiting for that confluence and everything. Even then, when I take it, like within few minutes, like it's going against, and then not able to recover from there.
right.
So,
So
okay.
that's why whenever you take a trade, right, in the evening times, it is okay, right? Even GC also, if we would have waited, we'd have made profits, but just to trade because I want to show you the best practice. I go to the price pulse and just put a stop loss here. So suddenly, if there is some news somewhere, because you cannot suddenly there can be a huge candle because
Yeah,
there is any bad
If you
news.
put that stop loss after you buy,
Yeah, once you buy, you can just go and add a stop loss.
oh, just click there, that will become the stop loss. Oh,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
that will become stop loss. Now you don't need to worry. You don't need to even keep watching this. You can go to some other ticker. If you have some other opportunity, you can go and watch that. Because
But
it's,
then this we can't say sell at this value, right? Sell, we have to do it manually.
you sell also, you can go and put your target, right? For example, I have this one at 58.77. This is my resistance. So I can go and somewhere put at 58.76. It is my
Oh,
sell. Or I can even go here and I can just say sell at this point, right? That is my limit sell order.
got it. Okay.
and
Then it
one
will
more.
Automatically go to the child accounts also once we have it linked through Replicanto.
right, right, yeah. While
Okay,
buying, do a buy order because while selling now this order is already in all the child accounts. But while
got
buying, it is better you do a market order so it will place in all the accounts. Otherwise, if you do a limit buy order, it may
it.
fill in your account but not in the child accounts. But when you sell it, it may fill in the child accounts.
Even now, even though I'm on DOM right now, and when I try to click on buy, it still gives me that goes me takes to market number of units I want, take profit, stop loss.
Yeah, that's what I told you, right? You have to go here, go to settings, and you check this instant order placement. Then
Uh,
it won't ask you all those things.
I have that. Still, I'm getting the same thing, Kishore garu. Like I have the instant orders placement setting checked, but when I go to DOM and click on it, it's still showing me that window.
instant order placement. Okay.
Generally, it won't show. Once you do
I
that,
not checked for me. I checked instant orders placement. Uh, anything execution? Okay. Or
that's it. If you just check that box, you can directly do buy and sell from here.
how do you do multiple? Like if I need to do five, if I just say buy, it will do
Here,
one. So I need
here you have five, right? Here between buy market, sell market, you have one here. So by default,
to just give
if you,
five and you
if
click
you
on
change
buy
it to
there.
five, yeah, whenever you do, then it will take five positions.
Awesome. Awesome. This is great. Thank you.
Yeah. Go to next one. Yeah, Amar, do you have any questions? Chakri, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi, Kishore.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Like, yeah. Like today morning, I was practicing on my paper trade account. So as per price pulse buy signal, I bought it. But immediately after 40 to 50 seconds, that signal has disappeared. And since then,
You have to wait for the candle close,
yeah,
right? So first thing is here you see 2 minute 36 seconds, 2 minute 35, right? There is a timer, which tells like how many more minutes is there for the candle to close.
Right.
Once the candle is closed, if you have a buy signal, that means it is a confirmed signal. Until that time, while candle is forming, it may come, it may disappear. So we need to wait for candle to close and then take the trade.
No, I entered next candle only, not on the same candle where I
Okay.
got, because I put alert. So once I got alert, by the time I check, it was formed. Signal was already formed. So I took trade on next signal, next candle. After 30-40 seconds, so the signal has disappeared and the trade got reversed actually. So it was going down.
Which symbol
NQ.
is that?
NQ.
Okay, NQ actually went up, right?
NQ it was
we made
afternoon
profit
actually.
with
I tried in the afternoon.
Okay, now I'll see it because generally it won't happen. Once the candle is formed, then the signal will stay. But I can see.
Okay.
Any other questions?
I think I'm good. Thanks.
Okay.
And Kishore, one more question. So right now I have three indicators. So can I have T3 as well? I mean, instead of 3, can I remove access to 1 and get a T3?
Yeah, you can get any 3. If you have 5 indicator plan, you can have any 5. If you have 3 indicator plan, you can get any 3. But what we suggest is this confluence is best, right? The first price pulse T5, T55. If you also have a confluence of T3, that is much better.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
So
Thanks, Kishore.
otherwise, yeah. Right, if you have price pulse and T5, but without this, sometimes you may not exactly know whether buyers or sellers in control. So it is like 3 different softwares are telling you same thing, then your success will be much more higher.
Got it. Yeah.
Yes. Now instead of 3, 4 softwares are telling you the same thing, then it will be a lot more success.
Got it. Thank you.
Hello, Kishore garu, am I right?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, Kishore garu, just yesterday, I took this account in take profit trader account. I just went through that trader weight and activated in the trading view. But just now I'm starting from 9 o'clock. I'm just trying to take the orders. It's not taking orders, like it's saying
First, you
that
have to
it's
go
not.
to Trader Weight and you have to complete all the signatures, right? You have to
Yeah,
go
I
to
did that.
Trader.
Yeah, I did
Mhm.
that. I did that,
Okay.
and I already added that Tradify account to trading view.
Okay.
Just
But
when trying to take the order, it says a
mhm.
message like you can't take the order. Don't have any permissions, kind of thing. Any message is popping up. I don't know what is.
You did not hit any stop loss or anything, right? Is it a complete new account or?
It's a complete new account. Still, my funds is showing like 150K. I don't
Okay,
know.
maybe the account might have not activated properly.
Yeah,
You
it's in
raise it.
pending actually.
Yeah. So account is not 100% ready. Sometimes, yeah, 1 out of 10 accounts that will happen.
Okay.
So if you don't see within next 1 hour also, you can raise a ticket. If you raise a ticket, then they will fix that.
It's almost like 2 days. I open it. Like I'll call them and I'll ask them like that. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Thank you.
sure.
On the T5 graph, the reason why I was saying that is when I see your screen, the graph is it went up and kind of going down, and on the scale you have minus 100, 0, 100 versus now I'm seeing 34, 38, 41, with 0. If I try to change the scale, the whole thing is kind of changing. That's why I have the graph as if it just went up and it's on the top line, like a Z. For
Yeah,
the
if you
T,
can click on this A and L, then it will get set.
not the T55, the T5 is the one I tried both AL,
Okay.
A again.
There also check whether A or L is checked. They are checked,
Yeah,
you can uncheck.
L is checked. Now I
Yeah,
removed.
just uncheck it. You should not only for this one. Now we can check this A and L, but for this one you don't need to check anything.
Oh, okay. Now my graph is at the bottom. My scale is not minus 100, 0, 100.
It should be like this. So if it is above 0, that means it is very bullish. So minus 100 to 100. So if it is 100, that means it is overbought. If it is minus 100, it is oversold.
Mine is showing minus 400,000, 200,000 like that, the scale.
So yeah, make sure you have both these unchecked, and maybe you can delete and add the indicator back.
Let me delete and add. Okay.
Yeah, Vijay, do you have any questions?
Yeah, so my question was, yeah, so basically you at 9 o'clock you just give a demo, right? Because 9 to 10, typically the volume is low. It's easier for us to do that. But the futures market is open 23 hours, right? It starts at 5
Right.
Eastern.
Yeah. Once you understand the logic, you can take whenever you want. Yeah.
Okay. Second question is, my screen looked a little different. I have three indicator plan, but in your price pulse, I saw a gray band in between where you were saying it was a horizontal band, not the vertical band.
Horizontal is a equilibrium area. Yeah. Discount
Right.
premium, and we have equilibrium area. Right.
So where is that? Oh, okay, on the top.
Right.
Yeah, this is which graph? GC.
This is your.
Yeah, I don't see that in my graph.
No, it will be there. Yeah. Just you have to zoom out, zoom in, then you will see it. Just if you do like this, you will have premium zone at the top. You will have this
Yes, yeah, let me see. Yes.
discount at the bottom, and
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it actually. Above 200. This is yellow is 200 moving average, right?
right.
Okay. So third question was, and the signals we should only wait for in the evening 3 minutes, then only we should get into position, and during the daytime 5 minutes, right?
Right. Yeah. Again, if you're a scalper, you can use 2 minutes, 3 minutes also in the morning.
Mhm.
But if you are a new trader, better use 5 minutes, because 2 minutes there will be too many signals.
Right. So 2 minute, I try to observe the trend, right? If I have to look for the trend, which
Right.
direction going after taking a position.
Yeah. Yeah.
And typically, how many days does it take for evaluation? So I've been doing it for consistently for like 2, 3 weeks in paper trade. So
Well, again, it depends, right? Sometimes if you have a news like today, and if you are in the right side, then within one day also you can complete the evaluation.
I see. Okay.
So sometimes it may take 1 week, 2 weeks. But yeah, on average, it is like 2 weeks if we trade with a proper rule-based approach. If we use emotions, then it will take a lot more time. But if you just follow and if there is a stop loss, that's okay. Take the stop loss, and next trade you can cover it.
Got it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
just
I
make
think
sure whenever you place the trade below the price pulse, put a stop loss so that any sudden
right. Yeah.
drops, you can go with a small loss. Then next 1 or 2 trades you can cover that back.
But for evil, I think there's a limit on the stop loss also, right? In some of the plans it was mentioned. Do they
No.
monitor stop loss as well or no?
Some companies like Apex, they check whether you are keeping a stop loss or not.
Okay.
But Take Profit Trader or Tradify, they don't check anything. But Apex will ask whether you are using a stop loss, or you doing the proper in a proper based, or just you are gambling.
And I observed that you use Tradeovate. What is this Tradeovate?
Tradeovate is just like another brokerage, just like Robinhood, Thinkorswim. Tradeovate is a brokerage used by the prop firms. So again, if you want, you can deposit some money in Tradeovate. You can trade futures.
Okay. And what is the
But
minimum amount required for that?
even if you have $5,000, you can trade futures.
Okay, gotcha.
Even if you have $1,000, you can trade some micros, MNQ, MES like that.
Gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, this is helpful. Appreciate it.
Yeah, Arun, do you have any questions, Arun?
Okay, sure. Yeah, I have a couple of questions. First, I start with the placing the stop limit. So I'm doing the similar way what you are trying to do, like market order. Once I enter into the market order, I always confuse myself when I am doing the long. how to set up the stop limit?
Yeah, whenever you do the long, right? For example, you are buying here. You
Okay.
have to go a little bit down, right? See like out of last 5, 10 candles, or see where is the price pulse line. Because
Okay.
as long as it is above price pulse, we are bullish.
Right.
But if a candle is coming below the price pulse, that is we are bearish.
Right.
So go below the price pulse line and just click here and say sell stop. Because you
Tell-
bought it, you want to sell with a stop loss.
Okay. So
You want to stop your loss by selling your position, the long position.
got it. Okay. So buy sell. Okay. So if I do reverse, it's going to be immediately
Yeah, it will be
yeah,
you'll go up and you'll put a buy stop loss.
buy stop. Okay.
Yeah. If you are selling first, then your stop loss will be buy order.
Selling first, stop
Right?
loss will be buy order. If I buy, so the sell order is the my stop
Yeah.
loss.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I did reverse and I got a huge loss in one trade. Okay. So the other question was, is it the good recommend? Will you recommend to reset my prop account, because I have 7 accounts in the Elite trade and everything was blow up today. So is it in a good steps we're going with a reset, or what you?
Generally, what I suggest is new accounts are generally cheaper
Yeah.
compared to getting a reset, because reset means if you have only 15 days for the renewal,
Mhm.
again renewal you have to pay the full amount.
Okay.
So if you are
Okay.
resetting an account, let us say before 2 weeks you got account.
Okay.
After 2 weeks it hit the stop loss.
Okay.
So if you are resetting now, you are paying the money now for the reset. Again after 15 days, again they will charge the renewal price, monthly renewal.
Right. Yeah.
And
So
also reset will be sometimes expensive. With the new account, they will give some good deals like 90% off like that.
okay. Okay. But for that, I need to complete all the evaluation again.
No, even reset also, you have to, again, it will start from 50,000 or 150,000, right? It is not like if you had 52, they will not give you 52.
Yeah, that's right. But at least I will start make profit from the day one, right? Therefore, the prop account. Or you are saying that even though they reset, again, I need to do the evaluation.
Yeah, you need to do evaluation. You need to again trade for 5 days like that.
Oh, okay. No, I was so when I go to the dashboard, they gave me an option called reset in my prop account. I mean semi-funded account. So they are giving an options here, and you can go and reset if you wish. And I have
Okay.
I
Right,
have
right.
requested I have requested how much it cost would be. I have not received.
Yeah, it will be expensive. It will be 600 or something. But yeah, what I suggest is
Okay.
for Allied Trader Fund, for take profit, I suggest if you want, you can do reset like that, because immediately you can make money on the day. At the end of the day, you can request the payout. For
Okay.
Allied Trader Fund, again, you have to trade for 2 weeks and then only you can request the payout. So what I suggest is better is, yeah, you complete another evaluation.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. For some
650.
reason, Elite I don't not comfortable, even though I've completed 7, but getting payout is it's a pain, looks like. I have to wait for 10. I have in a couple take profit already completed.
Yeah,
I'm very near to the blowout status, but I'm still maintaining. I'm reducing my aggressiveness to make some
right, right.
profit from
Yeah,
take profit. So I'm taking your suggestion as don't go for a reset in the Elite, even though it is in a 7 account. I'm going to forget about it. But instead of it, I will try to maintain the take profit, continue with, and will add a couple more there.
that is right. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
If
But
you so you if you want, you can get some ET 90 because they have 90% off. You get the ETF evaluation accounts.
yeah, yeah,
If you do well, then in file, because if you make mistakes, better you do in the evaluation accounts rather than doing it in the performance accounts,
right. See, Kishore,
because these are cheaper.
yeah, your trend indicators are working excellent. I see. I was able to make more than 8,000, 7,000 in the the test account easily pass. But for some reason, a gentleman was explaining, for some reason, we are not patiently waiting, or I'm not patiently waiting. And even though I have a confidence in the tool, I don't know how to stop myself taking the profit loss. As soon as I come out, it's picking up like anything. And whatever I earned for 3 to 4 days and everything gone today.
Right,
Right.
right. Yeah, again, it is part of the process, right? You are not alone. That is how our psychology, our mindset is. We want to quickly achieve the targets. We want to quickly make money. So it is, yeah, 95% of us make the similar
Yeah,
mistakes. But again, once you see that, oh, somebody is making 4,000, 5,000 every day, taking a payout, do you want to be in that stage or not? That's what question you have to, before
correct,
taking a trade, you ask yourself, do I want to make 3, 4,000 every day?
correct. Yeah, yeah, yes,
By taking this trade,
Right.
am I going to achieve that or not? If you ask
right.
that question, then
Yeah,
you may, right, find
Very
a reason to not to take a trade. If you see
correct,
that, oh, this,
correct.
and
Yeah,
then
yes,
most of the time you will be right.
yeah. Yesterday, simple. I lost $400, but when I tried to chase that $400, I lost all 7 accounts. That's a very foolish thing that I did yesterday. So if I
Right,
should have not entered next time, then by today I made a good profit, but I missed that.
right, right.
Anyway,
Yeah, that is called revenge trading. So generally, if you take a, for example, yes, we got a stop loss. Again, if I try to go long, it might again, so better you don't even look at the ticker. If you have taken profit or if you have taken a loss, just go to some other ticker and take the trades.
correct.
If you try to do the same one, again, it will give one more loss if you try to make profit from that.
Well said. That's what happened exactly a couple of times. Even I'm doing that again and again. I need to stop. The reason I am trying to, because at that time signal immediately changed to red to green. So I was thinking that, okay, signal is giving arrow, red arrow. Why can't we go? Because we got in a red big bar. So obviously there is a sell order is sitting. I mean, buy order is sitting here. It's going to go up. But for some reason it's reversing again, and that is where my I'm not getting the logic here. So I'm going into the 3 minutes and it's showing in a good green triangle saying that go up. In the next bar, it's reversing completely.
Right, right. That means, yeah, market is choppy or that instrument is choppy. It is going up and down. So better we avoid that ticker and go to some other ticker.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, Kishore, one quick question. So on the price pulse, where you have your price, you have only one horizontal which is showing the time, right? For a 3 minute one, right now the time is 0 to 21, and the price is 4120,253 at a 5 scale or 10 scale. But for me, I mean, I'm on ES1. I'm just trying to set things up. I have even on the price on the side, I have colors like red, green,
Yeah, you can right click here and you can go to label.
labels.
You can
Okay.
remove all these check marks. Just have this countdown to bar close.
Oh,
Other
countdown.
than that, yeah, that will tell you how many more seconds or how many more minutes is there for
Yes,
the
yes. That's
candle.
what. Okay. Symbol last price label also. Okay. Got it.
Mm.
Okay. Because I'm trying to say, like on the ES1, you had 57865, like whatever range. I'm trying to get to the same scale because the graphs make more sense, easy to read. I was like, okay, something I could not get, but yeah, now I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Who is KA? Do you have any question?
Hey, this is Karthik here. Yeah.
Yeah, Karthik,
Uh,
please go.
I have submitted the what do you call the form. I have 5 indicator plan. I wanted T3 and future screener instead of trend and reversal. You know,
Yeah,
I
we'll make this.
I submitted the form already, but I didn't get it.
Sure. Yeah, you'll receive in some time.
Okay.
Yes. Shankar, do you have any question?
Yeah, hi. I have the question on the algos. So if I take the algos, so do I need separate account for that, or I can link the same prop from Take Profit Trader account?
You can link to the same prop from accounts.
then I won't be able to do it manually on TradingView, right?
Right, yeah. If algos are doing, if you touch it, then yeah, it will become an issue. You either you have to allow algos to do the trading or you have to do the trading. You
Okay.
can have a separate, right? One prop firm you can use only for algos. You can use Apex or Ally Trader Fund for your manual trading, but you cannot use the same account for both manual and algo trading.
So over there, we don't have to apply indicator. That is separately you are going to provide everything, right, over there?
Right, yeah. We need to see like which tickers are moving bullish or bearish, and we need to enable the algo on those tickers. Then the algos will automatically do the buy and sell.
Is there any kind of notification you provide, or we have to check like how it is? Like suppose evening time some tickers are good. So is
Yeah,
there something you
generally the evening time you can use on gold. GC will generally move well in the evening time. So you can every day evening you can every day morning between 9 to 11 or 1:30 to 3 you can put it on ES and NQ. They move well between that time.
okay, 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever it is you are suggesting during that training session, right?
Right.
Okay, so I can allot one. Which one will be the good one? Like not to blow or like less risky. I mean to say, take
Prism.
profit or elite prism. No, no, not that. Prop firm
No, prop firm you better you get a 150K account from Take Profit.
and assign it to algo. That is the wise
Yeah,
thing.
and you can use 2 or 3 MNQs, 3 MES, then yeah, your risk is minimal. Even though suddenly there are some big candles, it won't impact your account.
Okay, so for that I need to take that machine ID and everything, right?
Right, yeah,
So replicant is needed only for the copy trades, not for this.
right. Replicant is for copy trading.
Okay, I will provide you that. And another thing, like for take profit trader, once we pass out this test, immediately it's like sim funded or it's like actual account.
It is like a sim-funded pro, yeah. That is called as pro account. After you make some 4 or 5 payouts, they will give you Pro Plus, which is like a live account.
But even passing through this test account, pro account provides the payout, right?
Yeah, yeah. Every day you can request for a payout. So for you, whether stage 2, stage 3, for you it doesn't make any difference.
So
You
first
will
step
start
is to pass
making.
out the evaluation.
Right, yeah. All we need is pass out evaluation, then you can take yeah, payouts.
And Tradify is directly, what is that ETF account? Somewhere in last discussion you are mentioning. What is that ETF account? I didn't got it.
Another company called Ally Trader Fund.
Oh, okay, okay. And for Tradify, it's direct funded account. So that is
Yeah,
something
stage 2,
cost
yeah, sim funded, yeah.
costly it is, but I have seen that. Is there any more consistency rule or we can't get it? What do you think in that?
Yeah, they have 20% consistency. So every day evening you make $500-600 during this time.
But we
Then
have to
within
stick that consistently, right?
right, you can make maximum 20% on any day. You
Okay.
cannot
So
make
what will
90.
be your suggestion? Like, should we go with Tradify or take profit as an
Yeah,
average trader?
I feel take profit is the best one because some days you may get some very good opportunities. Right?
Mm-hmm.
If you carefully do these evaluation accounts,
Mm-hmm.
let us say now you have 5 pro accounts.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you, for example, there is FOMC or there is so immediately after FOMC or some major event is there, you got the news or you thought Trump is going to do on Mexico, Canada, something.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can make 5,000, 10,000 in each account in one day. And at the end of the day, you can go and request for the payout. Right? There is
Okay.
no
Okay.
consistency. There, whatever you make, you can request that money.
Got it.
With
Got it. So
Tradify, you have
better coordination. Mhm.
most of the other companies, you have to wait for minimum 2 weeks, and you need to maintain that consistency rule.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. I will just provide you the screenshot and everything. Then we can start up on that algos then.
Sure. For 150K account, how much we should make per day?
There is nothing like per day.
Okay.
Maximum is 4,000. You can 4,500 you can make, but minimum You can make $50, $100. There is nothing like
Okay.
you don't
Okay.
need to trade every day also. There is no restriction that you have to trade every day.
Okay. Thank
If
you.
you are busy, you can pause for 3-4 days also.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Srini, do you have any questions? Hey, Srini, are you there?
No,
Yes, Srini, please go ahead.
no, this is Prasad here.
Yeah,
Do
Prasad,
you
please
want
go.
to wait for Srini? Okay. So, I think this is something that most of us have this issue or concern. Not concern, I would say, the way we are trading. So, for example, this current trade that you took, right? So, I took this trade, right, at 5871. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. And then I saw that you closed the trade yourself when you saw the T3 sell. But I have a price pulse. I did not take it, but what I did was just to avoid losses, I put a stop at 5868, right?
Mhm.
I took a stop, so the order got closed. So I took a loss of 200. So what I'm trying to get to is like now, see the ticker automatically went all the way up. Had I not taken the stop, I would have easily made maybe some 200, 300, or $400 here. So this is
Right.
happening consistently across like multiple tickers that I do. Every time the stop loss hits, I lose 100, 200, 300. So that loss just keeps increasing to 7, 800. And then I start chasing trade because I get into that fear that I will end up blowing out my account. So how
Right.
to manage this?
The first thing is having too much tight stop loss is also a problem, right?
Mhm.
Again, if you have a 150K account, you can have up to 400, 500. You can have that buffer because 4,500 means nine. You can take up to nine stop losses,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
right? So if you do only 200 ES and NQ, they are so volatile. Within one candle, it can come down 200, and next candle it can go 400 up. So
So,
better, yeah, don't
mhm.
give too tight stop loss. I have tried, for example, here we saw that price pulse bullish is there, right? Maybe if the wick came here, right? The body did not come below the price pulse line.
Yeah, but
Only,
the shadow did.
yeah, only the
Yeah.
shadow or the wick came little bit down, and again because there are a lot of buyers, again it went all the way up. So it went to
Mm-hmm.
nearly 58.7. That means 10 points is $500.
Yes.
So like that, yeah. Once you understand that, okay, here it is still bullish, or here it is still there are buyers. So overall, it is looking bullish. So you can try to, instead of $200 stop loss, if your stop loss is somewhere here at 400 or
Mhm.
350, then that would have come here and again reverse. You would have made $500-$600.
Okay. Okay. So the
So
tight
like that,
stop
yeah,
loss probably would be the answer.
right,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Little bit if you release it, then yeah. Again, I'm not
So,
asking you to go too
mhm.
far, but if price pulse line is here, think like, okay, if the half of the body or shadow or the wick is coming little bit, right? The market makers try to do that stop loss hunting. They want to
Okay.
capture that where retail traders are putting stop loss. They will come touch that and then take it all the way up.
I
So
think
just
that's
to
what exactly happened with my. So it took that red candle. Do you see that
right,
shadow? There is where I
right,
ended up my stop loss hit. So
right.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, and the
that's right.
reason I started doing it, I think many people today also blew up their account because of NQ. I also blew up my account
Right, right. Yeah,
because of.
because of that news also, today market went so much down. Yeah.
Mm,
But yeah,
okay.
that's
All right.
why MNQ is better rather than NQ, because
Mm-hmm.
NQ can make lot of money and it can also blow a lot of accounts.
Mm,
So that's
makes
a
sense.
high risk and high reward situation with NQ. So
Got
if
it.
you want to take low risk, better you
Mm-hmm.
just trade with ES, because ES is the most liquid ticker and most stable. NQ is
Stable.
very, very volatile.
Got it. And one more question. I see that like past for 3 days, you use T3 indicator over price pulse. So is that better, or you would say price pulse is also sufficient enough if you're using a 5 minute candle?
Yeah. So basically, the major advantage with T3 is if you miss the first one, right? First thing is T3 will give little bit before PP price pulse. So
Okay.
here you got a buy, then price pulse gave a buy little late. So you minimum you can be ready whenever you see T3 buy. You can get ready, and right you received a notification that okay there is a buy on NQ or buy on ES.
Okay.
Then otherwise if you are waiting for PP buy, suddenly when there is a buy already it might went so much far.
Got it.
So that's why the T3 will help you to be prepared to take a buy, right? You got a buy now, you can go and see all your confidence. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is looking good, this is good, this is good. Are there any buy orders here? Then if you get a PP buy, then it is 100% confirmation. Or if you are just waiting for PP buy, once you got the
Mm-hmm.
PP buy, you are looking at all the confidence. By that time, it might
Mm-hmm.
already move another 2-3 points up.
Got it. And other thing that you mentioned is that, like, no, just don't look for PP buy, but also look for the price pulse line and the T5 line, right? So
Right, yeah,
that
you are
distance can
right.
change the way you adjust your price line. So what do you suggest we should keep the price axis
No, it
so
is
that
not
we
a
don't?
price line, right? So, for example, you got a
Mhm.
PP buy here.
Mhm.
So, is the candle very close to your T3, T5 line or not? Is this
Okay.
candle?
It is close to, yeah, close to price pulse
Yeah,
for
close
sure.
to
Yeah.
price pulse, and also you have T3, T5 line here. So, it is also connecting to them,
Okay.
right? Let us take some example where here you got a buy signal,
Hmm.
but where is your close price and where is your price pulse T3, T5?
Okay. The close price is in this case is 58.72.
Right,
But this,
approximately. The close price is somewhere here,
okay,
58.76.
close price. Okay, okay. Okay.
Right, your highest price is 58. So, whereas your this T3, T5 price pulse are somewhere around 10 points down. So,
Hmm.
if you are buying
Oh,
after this one, then immediately there is a pullback.
got it.
So, that's why we
Okay.
should see whenever you get a buy signal, is my candle close to the T5 line? If it is
Close
close
to
to
the
T5
T5.
line, that is a good opportunity. But if it is so far away, then immediately it may do because it's a huge candle. One candle went nearly 5-6 points up.
Hmm.
So it is very far away from the base. So we should wait for the price to come to the base and again it can go up.
Okay. I think that's the mistake that I've been doing. So I see this buy signal and then the next candle I end up buying, but you're saying don't buy at the next candle, wait for the other candle which is closer to
Right. Yeah.
T5, T3 lines.
Right. Yeah.
And does it matter whether it's a red candle or a green candle, or doesn't matter
Ge-
really?
Generally, if you see, right, wait for a candle to again go up. So if you see, it went all the way to the resistance here, right? This is the consolidation zone top.
Mm-hmm.
It went and now it came back to the T3 line. So if you see the T3 line is again going up, that means again buyers are right. There are buyers here. They are trying
Okay.
to push the price up.
Okay. Got it.
So you
Okay.
wait for yeah, or you can even go to 1 minute. So
Mm-hmm.
now you got some red candles. Now you are getting some green. If you see a, a green nice green candle, or you see a blue rectangle, or you see a T3 buy, then I can go long. Again, it can go all the way to the top.
Top. Got it. Okay. I think that makes sense then. So along with T3, as in I have a 3 indicator plan, I'm planning to upgrade. So T3 and future ranker is what you recommend, right? If you want to add 2 more indicators to the plan.
Right, that is right. Because that future trend ranker will give you, yeah, right, whenever you want to focus on, right? Instead of focusing on 10, 20 different tickers, you want to just look at two, three tickers, right? For example, GC is very bullish today.
Mm-hmm.
So you can just focus on GC and you can easily make $400-500 in next 1 hour.
Got it. Got it.
So
Okay.
whenever you have you go to 1 minute, wait for buy signal, P3 buy or price pulse buy or any buy signal you get on GC, you go and take a position.
Okay. Yeah. Obviously, when there is right confluence, and then take it, right?
Right, right, yeah. Yeah, everything is same, but minimum now you are not looking at so many notifications.
Notification. Yeah, that's another thing. Like it's distracting to look at so many.
Right, yeah. If you have too much also, it will be distracting. So you are just focusing on one ticker, and
Okay.
you can take the trades. I think I forgot to take out the stop
Stop
loss.
it.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. No, I
yeah.
think that's all, Kishore. This is good for today. As in, that's the lessons for today for me. So thanks a lot.
Hey Kishore, this is Srinivas. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I'm the new to this channel. Just last Friday, I signed up. Today morning I joined.
Mm.
So you will be online starting 9:30 a.m. Eastern time?
Yeah, around and around 9:15 Central.
9:15 Central. Okay. So the other question is particularly on the SPX whenever you are doing all any other options, right? So those options, SPX is expiring on a weekly basis, or which one you are doing? SPX
We
expire.
generally take is same day expiry, but yeah, now the volatility is too high, so I'm thinking about that. Maybe either we'll take the next day expiry or we'll stop SPX for few days and then focus on other tickers.
Okay, so about the other, for example, Tesla or any other, you will take the next coming Friday expiry.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, the nearest one, right? Usually you do the nearest.
Right. Generally, yeah, until Wednesday, same day, same week expiry.
Okay.
Maybe if we take trades on Thursday or Friday, sometimes we'll go for 1 week later.
But do you sell them or do you wait for until expire? Like, you always saying that you can take $50, $100 profit, right? So most of them you are taking bull puts and even calls also, both you are taking, right? Is it a vertical or
Yeah,
just you are taking separate?
yeah, we do everything based on, right. Today we got all the puts for all the airlines. We got United Airlines, Delta Airlines, and we made nice profits with all the airlines. So if the setup is looking very good, then we directly go for naked puts, naked calls. If it is looking right, then we'll go right. Tesla Friday we got the bear calls. Today they made nice profits. So yeah, depending on the scenario, if for earnings, sometimes we may hold it until expiry.
So do you have
Or
any kind of previous videos to learn what is the bear and what is the naked and all those, if
Yeah,
it is a
if you are in the
newcomer, right?
premium channel, I shared an induction document. There I gave links for yeah options, bear call spreads, bull put spreads, everything. So you
Oh,
can
it's in the, I'm in the premium, but where I
yeah
can find that
you can just search on the induction document.
induction. Okay.
Yeah, there you'll see.
Induction document. Okay. Because it's for new people, right? It's going to be confused. What is the naked? What is the bear? What is the bull? Right?
Right, right.
Put
Yeah, in the
or
training I
call.
explain everything from the basics. Yeah.
Okay. And one more question about the replicanto, right? So that one is if someone has a different um, prop accounts, like different company prop accounts, still they
Mhm.
can use the replicanto to different one or
Yeah, you can copy to 20, 30 different companies at the same time. Yeah.
okay. So do I need a multiple of replicanto or only one replicanto?
Only one replicant, just
But
one software. You can copy from Apex to Apex or take profit to take profit, or you can copy from take profit to you can copy to Tradify accounts, you can copy to Apex Tradeaway accounts, you can copy to Bullnox, you can copy to My Funded Futures.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that can be configured in Ninja trading, right?
Right.
So
Yeah.
whenever I'm doing in the Ninja, it will push to the different prop accounts.
Right. Yeah. You will take the trades in trading view itself.
Oh, trading view itself, I can configure.
No,
But
you
the trading
configure
view,
it.
I'm
You
no, I'm
configure
not.
it
I'm
in
not.
Ninja. You
Go ahead.
configure it in Ninja Trader,
Okay.
but
But placing the order will be in the Ninja trade only, right? I'm just watching everything in the trading view, but order placing is in the Ninja trade.
no. Right now I'm connected to a TraderWeight account. Okay, let me quickly share it. So I can have something like this. So I can have different company accounts, different. I can have my take profit account, and I can so you
This is
can
this
have
is this is
you
Replicanto, right? This is Replicanto. What is
yeah.
this screen?
This is Ninja Trader. You can connect to all different companies like Bullnox, ETF, My Funded Futures,
Okay.
Iridia, Take Profit, Trade Funder, Tradeify. You can connect to all these accounts.
Okay.
You can create connections in Ninja Trader, and then when you connect to all those ones, then all those companies, then whenever I take the right, this is my trading view leader account. Then I can say that okay, copy into all these different accounts. Whatever I want, I can copy them.
So you are placing order in one take profit one, but it pushes to all other prop accounts.
That is right, yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you want, it will push into all those accounts.
But this is connected to Ninja, right? This is connected to Ninja Trade.
Right, yeah. That Replicanto is connected to Ninja Trader,
Okay. Okay.
but we take the trades on the trading view itself. Directly we take here, and then the trade is going into. It can go to 10 accounts, 20 30 accounts based on the setup. If we have some good news, some major event, we can connect to more accounts. If it is a slow day, we can connect to some less number of accounts like that.
But this is only futures only, right? You cannot do the options or stocks with the prop
That is,
account.
that is right, yeah.
Okay. So whenever you do the futures or any stocks, you go to the different account, not the same one.
Right, yeah. We have to use our own
Our
brokerage
own
account.
accounts or something else.
Right, yeah.
Got
We'll
it.
take the trades there.
Okay. So do we have a document for a Replicano also, how to configure?
Yeah, there are videos for everything.
Oh,
Steps.
okay. Cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, I will go through them.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Arpit,
Kishan. That's all.
yeah. Arpit, do you have any questions?
Yeah, actually, Kishore, I have the 5 indicator plan. I have the 4 indicator. Can you add T3 on mine?
What plan you have?
5 indicator, but I have the 4 right now.
Yeah, you can fill the Google form. We'll check and we'll add the fifth one.
Okay.
Yeah. Ajay, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah.
So screen I have here, like it's not similar to the one. I mean, is this actually trader weight or is this actually the trading view?
This is trading view, what you are seeing.
Okay, maybe I have the T55, T5, and the price pulse. I have the uh, three indicator plan.
Okay.
So I'm trying to understand, like, I did try. So one thing is, I did try a couple of trades, like while I was watching you, the NK um, um, Nikki, right? So that one, so I did two trades, and the profit was showing like 240 something. But then when I go to the my take profit one, it is actually showing negative 17.5. I don't know why that is. So I got like
Trading view, I see that I have a like the net. It's a profit of 240. It's today actually. Is it a syncing issue which will like get synced up
Yeah,
back to?
yeah. Generally, it will take some time for take profit trader to update their balances. So it might be more of a sync issue. If you
Okay.
see tomorrow morning, it will you will see right numbers.
Okay, and Kishore Garu, I want to understand this this price pulse, which is actually the line I'm trying to understand, which is the line which we need to watch for.
So if you can always hide everything, then you will only see the price pulse lead. So here
Okay,
this is the blue line,
the blue is the price pulse. Okay,
right?
and that's our like kind of if it is going
Yeah,
above.
if it is above, that means it is bullish. If it is
Okay,
below, that means it is bearish. If candle is below that line, it is bearish.
and is there a line which shows actual price movement?
Yeah, this is where you are pricing.
That red dotted one. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so from this indicator alone, if I'm trying to understand, if it is that red line, the red dotted line is above the blue line, which is the price pulse line, that means it's a buy, right?
right. Yeah. If red turns to blue, that means right you got a PP buy. Candle was down here. Suddenly, candle went above this line. Then immediately it says okay buy. So if you bought it here at 28.97, it went all the way to and went and touched the sell order blocks. So nearly $700 from 28.97 to 29.04. Because there are sellers here, you can take the profit and now again it may come here, go up one more time, or it may come completely down.
So, and what is the green? And I think in yours it's yellow, showing yellow. Mine is actually a green line there, which is like
Yeah, this is like a consolidation zone. It is more like a support line.
no, mine is actually going up and down, like
Yeah, we
about.
can see there might be something else, some other indicator or something you might have added. If you have just a price pulse, then it will show just like this.
Okay, maybe I'm getting confused there on that between all the lines. Okay, so if it is above this one and the green candles are going up, even if we don't get the PP buy, it is a buy, right? In that, so should we wait for the PP buy actually to show up?
Yeah, you can see the confluence, right? For example, if it goes, but here I see more sellers. Here I see that sellers. That means it may not go all the way to the top. It may come down.
And T55 is just a trend, right? Like the blue is bullish and the yellow
Hmm.
is, I mean,
Orange is bearish trend. Yeah.
bearish. That is just a trend.
Right.
Okay.
Trend, and also it shows what is the moment. Yeah. What is whether sellers are in control or buyers are in control. So this uses a different logic. This uses a different logic. So using our T3 buy or T3 sell or PP buy or PP sell, these are our supporting indicators. These two. So
Yeah.
if we get a T3 buy and this both are looking good, then we will go long. Or if you get a PP buy, these two are looking good, we go long. In the same way, for sell also, if these two are supporting, we'll go short.
So we actually should wait for the PP buy, not just based on the upward movement or the candle. We shouldn't buy that, right? Like we should.
Always wait for any buy signal, right? Either T3 buy or PP buy or T3 sell or PP sell. Wait for those and then take the trades.
So I don't have the T3. So do you suggest like so I have the price pulse T55 and T5. So is T3 better than T5?
Again, right? You have buy sell here. These two are your supporting indicators. In the same way, T3 also got buy sell. You have supporting here. So,
Okay.
so what I suggest is, yeah, price pulse T3, T55 are the number top three, and
Okay.
then T if you want, yeah, T3 futures trend anchor are your number four, number five.
So can you give me like in this, like if you go T5, how to read that one? The T5, that's what I have. I don't have T3. So
So
okay.
that's what. So if you see green, that means buyers are in full control. If you see, and also if it comes all the way to the bottom, generally that means it is oversold. Buyers will take the control. If it goes all the way to the top, sellers will take control.
And the 0 point is like the numbers at the zero.
Zero means it can go either side, right? If it is at the top, high chances for it to drop. If it is goes
Drop.
to the bottom, high chance to go up. If it is
Okay.
somewhere in between, it can go up, it can come down. So better you wait for either top or bottom to take the trades.
Yeah. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. I think I got. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Kishore.
Yeah. Um, yeah, Nagarjuna, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I have that the 5 indicator thing. I think I did submit my Google form for that T3 and then the future scan thing.
Okay, yeah,
Can you check?
I'll check and provide the access after this session.
Thank you. Do you need anything from me other than the Google Doc?
No, as long as you fill the Google Doc, you'll get the access.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Vinay, do you have any questions?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Vinay, we can hear you. Please go.
Okay. How about now?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So today morning for the YM alert, Kishore Garu, I mean, I saw like a big green block, like on the left. So we don't need to worry about the buy order blocks when we are shorting, which is like past event.
YM.
Yeah, today morning we gave the YM alert, right, for the shorting. Usually I'm just asking for any example. So if we have any sell order blocks or buy order blocks on the left, right, we need to consider them or no?
Yeah, again, based on all the confluences. So if you have all the confluences are there, you have it, right, you have a magic pattern or you have this one, then yeah, we don't need to. So it is all about probability, right? If you have 9 out of 10 are telling it will go down,
Okay.
then we can go and take a shot.
Okay. And regarding this one, this T3, we will get T3 by first, say for example, and if the candle is far from T3 and T5, we will wait for, then we will get a PP buy, okay? And the candle is still far. So we have to enter the trade as soon as the candle touches the T5 and T3, or we have to wait for the T3 buy signal again, buy sell signal again.
You don't need, for example, you got a T3 buy, let us say you got somewhere here, right? Very far from the T3 line.
Yeah.
Then you wait for price to come here and wait whether it is again dropping or it is going up.
Okay, we don't have to wait for T3 signal at that time. We can
Right.
see.
Yeah, you don't need, but if you want, you can go to 1 minute and you wait for a buy signal. If you are in the same time frame, you don't need to wait for another T3 buy. But if you want to, right, you are in 3 minutes, you got a buy, but your candle is very far from T5 line. Now I can go to 1 minute, and if I get a buy in the 1 minute, then I can enter a trade. So your longer time frame is in buy signal. So whenever your shorter time frame gives a buy, you can go and enter the long position.
Order filled.
Okay, and this when you say the line candle is near to the T5 or T3, do you mean the price line or the candle near to the, say if
Candle
in this
candle
example,
should be candle should be near to the T3 or T5 line.
the price can be above, that's fine, because the entry which we make is in the price line, right? Not the candle line.
Right. But the candle should be
42.
close to the T3 and T5.
Okay, we don't need to we
42
don't have to
profit,
look for
right?
the price, then just the candle needs to be close.
Like basically,
260 profit.
yeah.
Isn't it fake?
It is fake, but
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else, Vinay?
And one last thing is sometime like when I'm waiting for T3 buy or T3 sell, as soon as I get the signal, I'm entering it, but the signal disappearing, Kishore Garu.
That's why wait for the candle close. Yeah.
So wait for the
Until
candle close and see the next candle is also going in the same direction, then enter.
right, yeah.
Oh,
Because until the
okay.
candle is still forming, that signal can disappear. Once the candle forms, the signal will stay back. So yeah, wait for the candle. While the candle is forming, you can check for the other conferences.
Okay. Okay. I'm good.
Sure. Yeah, Abhinav, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore, yeah, quickly. Do we have any coupon code for take profit reset, or should I just buy a new account?
Yeah, for reset, there is, yeah, generally there are no coupons for the resets.
Okay,
So if it is 150, you can do reset. Otherwise, if it is 50K, better get the new accounts rather than reset.
okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Isha, do you have any questions? Yeah. Funny, do you
Yeah,
have
hi.
any questions? Yeah.
Yeah, this is Bhaskar. So my daughter's name is Isha. So my laptop shows like that.
Yeah. Okay.
So I have a few questions. So I subscribed for 5 indicators yesterday, and
Mhm.
like you sent a message saying that whoever has 5 indicators, they'll get like a T5, T55, price pulse, T3, and features ranker, right?
Right. In 1 or 2 days, everybody with 5 indicators will map them to these indicators.
Okay. Yeah, I still don't have all five those five, but I
Mm.
have like T5,
Because there are
T55.
some users who are using top trend and all those things since long time. So
Okay.
they got used to those indicators. That's why we gave that Google form. If anybody want to, if you are new member and you want to just use T3 price pulse, this T5, T55, because this conference is working really good, especially during this time or in the morning before 8:30 when volume there is no sudden volatility. Easily
Okay.
you can make 5, 600, 700,000 dollars even before the market opens
Okay.
in each prop account.
Okay. And the second question I have is like uh, see like a lot of people are like no I know this generally happens like no when there is whatever the sell-off market like this. So some people are saying you may see like 20% bear market, those kind of stuff. Like do you think like that might happen, or do you think like no we are still good and it is like this is normal every day, like up and downs will be there? Are you like no are you also seeing anything like that, like going market
No,
down for another 10%, something like that?
overall market is right before 1, 2 months itself. I told that we are overbought. Right, last 2, 3 years, market went so much up. So you are in
Okay.
a weekly time frame. You are in a overbought area.
Okay.
So you can see that sellers are trying to bring it down again, going up, bring it down. So that is going on since nearly. So in daily also you are nearly at the top. So yeah, it went today again. Market went all the way up again. Sellers are trying to bring it down.
Okay. So do you think like S&P goes somewhere like 5,500, something like that?
Yeah, we may
Is it
have something right with this political environment, especially with the US China thing. there might be some correction, 5%, 10%.
Okay.
It may not be a huge drop, but there'll be definitely some pullback is needed before again market to go up. Right? Otherwise, it is already at the top. It
Okay.
needs some cool down, and again it will bounce back.
Okay. But like when you see like no, in between when you are showing like some of the stocks, you always say that there are so many buyers here, there are so many sellers here, something like that. And then
Yeah,
when you
it's
see like so
always
many
right.
buyers,
Tesla, you'll have buyers at 450, you'll have buyers at 250, you'll have buyers at so price will not keep continue to go down, right? It is not just like one-way direction.
okay,
You will see some drop, again it will go up. Again you
okay,
will see drop, again it will go up. So it is not that it will just keep falling in one day or 2 days. It is like maybe next 3 4 months, every day slowly, right? If you see daily. So what do you see here, right? Price was here consolidated for a lot of time. And then there
okay,
was one bearish candle, then another bearish candle, then there is a small pullback, then another bearish, small pullback, another bearish candle. Again, tomorrow you may get a small pullback because market today went so much down. Tomorrow again it will be little bullish day. Again, right? It will go always try to go to the T5 line. Whenever the price is far away from the T5 line, it will go and try to touch that line.
okay. So when it is like bearish trend, it will always go to the T5 line and touch that and come down. When it is bullish trend, it will be like it goes up and comes down, touch the line, and then again goes up like that. You are saying.
Right, yeah. So that's what
Okay,
you can see here, right? It went up
okay,
for 5 6 days. It straight went up, then a small pullback. Then it
okay,
went up, pullback, went up, pullback, went up. This time it is not just a pullback, but actually a trend reversal.
okay,
Trend got reversed. So again, 3 4 days drop, one bullish day. Again, some one major drop, one bullish day, one major drop. Tomorrow will be a bullish day.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Like the other one I was thinking was like, so when we were like maybe few weeks back before the applied materials results, that AMAT, you were saying like generally this during this period, this stock always will be bullish, and you had some Excel
Hmm.
spreadsheet there, like now, uh, like
Right.
bullish months, bearish months kind of thing. So you were showing like AMAT has like 190 strong
Mm.
resistance, and there is so many buyers at that
Right.
point, all that.
Mm.
So I was like, I bought that AMAT at that time, and now I
Right.
see like 158. It like went down so much down. So
But it went up, right? After that, it went up. After we bought it. So if you see, when we bought it, I think it went to nearly 210 or 220. It went all the way to 205 or after the
oh,
earnings, I think.
no, that is before earnings. After earnings, it didn't go. It is completely going down every time.
Maybe.
It's like from
Order
January
canceled.
from January 22nd onwards, it is like daily going down almost. And that time, like no, you are sharing the screen. That time it was showing like there are
Right.
so
It
many
was
buyers
it
around
was
190.
bullish between 30th January to 24th Feb. It went up. Then again it is bearish now. This is a bearish
Okay,
time frame.
okay,
Again somewhere here it will again go up. Again there is a big drop. So yeah, during this time it went from nearly 170, 180 to 202 between
okay,
30th January to 24th Feb.
okay.
Okay,
Thank
I
you.
got a quick question. This has been, by the way. This price pulse box and T3 box are showing different results, so we don't need to or are they both same?
Yeah, both are different. One is showing just the volume, one is showing the overall trend, momentum, all those things.
Both are different. So if in price pulse it can be bullish and in T3 can be bearish. So
Yeah, if we have a confluence, then that is better. But yeah, both can be different.
T3 table is real time and like price pulse is like it's like overall trend. Yeah, both are
Yeah.
getting contradicted actually. So I'm confusing in placing the orders.
No, you don't need to show your T3 table is more on the volume. How many buy orders, how many sell orders are happening at that point. Right? The concept is completely different, right? Here you are only seeing volume. What is the volume? How many buy transactions, how many sell transactions?
Okay. So
So
what
you're
is 1 minute, 5 minutes? So we have to, so if we are in 5 minutes chart, we have to focus only on 5 minutes number. That's what you're saying, right?
yeah, you can also look at the higher time frames.
Say if you see
But
here, right, in the 15 minutes it is red and in the price pulse 15 minutes it is bullish. So
it is only talking about last 15 minutes, how much volume was there, or right? If there are 454 transactions, 43% of the transactions, what happened in the last 15 minutes is 43
last
or
15 minutes.
40%. Yeah, in last 15 minutes, what was the volume? This is only talking about the volume, that's it. So
So
this
if
is
we have more sellers, then the trend needs to be bearish too, right? In 15 minutes. That's not case.
doesn't need to be right in it because this looks at multiple other factors to determine the trend. It is not
Oh,
just looking at volume and then telling it is bullish or bearish.
okay. So both are different. Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
thank you.
both are different and yeah. Yeah, Funny, do you have a question?
Yes, hi Kishore Garu. So, a couple of questions. So, first thing is whenever I enter a trade, I'm setting up the profit target and stop loss. So, if it reaches one of them, the other one is not getting cancelled automatically. Is there a way to do it, or do I have to manually cancel it every time?
One is you can go to this order and if you create, then automatically it will cancel. So if
Okay,
you put a take profit and stop loss, then if one fills, then it cancels the other order.
okay. So, on the profit target, Kishore Garu, do you suggest any how to set it up, or do you just suggest for the next signal to come up, or maybe just hold it till then?
If you have, yeah, better you wait for a color change. If you have T5 or T3, if you get a
Okay.
PP buy or whatever it is, you wait for the color change. Whenever the color of either T3 or T5 or price pulse changes, whichever changes first, you book the profits.
Okay, got it. So in this one, I have a question on this GC. So here, there is a T3 signal, right? The last T3 cell signal.
Right.
Would you have entered that one given that it is far away from the price pulse line?
If it is, again, you have, right? Maybe I would have entered in this one, right? Because here I got full confidence. Here I have red, here I have red, here I have sell, here I can see the sellers, here I can see the volume, here I can see bearish momentum. So if not here, I would have entered at this particular candle.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, sorry, last question. Can you go to the ES, please?
Yeah.
And if you can go to a little bit to your left, or here also, yeah. So there is a T3 buy signal, and immediately, I mean, in short time there is a T3 buy, and in short time there is a T3 sell also. So in this case, so if I entered, let's say T3 buy, and I'm holding it, do you suggest when as soon as T3 sell shows up, do you suggest even if we are in losses, just accept the loss and close the trade?
Here, because you are still above the price pulse line, here there are a lot of buyers, right? You see there are a lot of buyers here. You are above the price pulse line. So
Right.
I'll have my stop loss somewhere below this. So
Okay.
as long as I'm here, because it is in a choppy zone, right? This, if you see a blue, that means it is in a very choppy. It is not going up, but there is no trend. That
Right.
means it can just go up, come down, go up, come down. So you don't need to take a loss because it may come little bit down and again go up.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
So yeah, we can have our stop loss somewhere here. If price comes all the way, either this will act as a support. If not, this will act as a support. Both of these doesn't act as support, then we can take a stop loss.
Okay. But we are not expecting drastically to come down because it's still choppy. Okay.
Yeah, it is in a choppy zone. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Hey, Kishore, quick question. If you don't mind looking at crude oil to see if it's a good bearish now, I just want to make a confirmation.
We got a T3 cell, we got a T3 cell. Yeah, if we have another candle, right now it is in a consolidation zone. We are at a bottom of the consolidation zone. So
I
this is
see.
like a
Okay.
box. So we are at a bottom of the box. Either it can go up again to the top of the box, or if it breaks this, then it will be a good one. It can come all the way. So we have to wait for one more candle. Otherwise,
see.
it may go. So, right, because we are like a rectangle. This is like a support. This is the resistance. We are at a support now.
Gotcha.
It should break. If it breaks the support, we can take it. Otherwise, if it starts going up, if you see a buy again, it will go all the way to the top.
So, Kishore, for me, that box is not showing. That
You are
those
in 3 minutes or 5 minutes?
3.
You
I
are
don't know
here. You're
why.
saying,
I have only price pulse on. I don't have T3.
yeah, it doesn't. T3 doesn't show the box. Price pulse only shows it.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was wondering why. Because generally for me the boxes show, but right now it's not. Some one
Do you
time.
have the normal candles or?
Yeah, I do have normal candles. Maybe it's just hiding. I don't know. Okay, that's all I think. Kishore. That's all I wanted to confirm.
So
Yes,
Kishore Garu, one question I have. So for NQ, it is not showing any premium zone. It's only showing like discount zone in the chart. So do you see like for NQ, do you see the premium zone somewhere like 890, 2890 some price?
Yeah, it is in 3 minutes. It is around 570.
Okay, I was in 5 minutes. I don't see like in my chart.
Yeah, it is somewhere around here. Here, there is the premium zone.
So 21 150.
Right, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. So my like I didn't see, I was not able to see until like that one. So I thought like it is.
Yeah, so it will be labeled like premium. That is where
Okay.
your previous day high.
Okay.
Generally, that is where you will see this strong high or all the sell order blocks.
So there is a possibility like it may go tomorrow until that. Is that like something like that?
Generally, when it is in a downtrend, it will not go all the way to the premium.
Oh, okay.
When it is in a downtrend, it will go to the equilibrium and drop again.
Okay, go to
When it is in a bullish trend, it will go all the way to premium, come to equilibrium, go further up, come to the equilibrium, go further up, like that.
Okay. And
Because it
here
is
if you see equilibrium on the T5 chart, it should be like on the center line 0, or is that completely different?
yeah, it is completely different. Both are completely.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, Kishore Sampath here. Could you go to ES once? Okay.
Yeah.
My chart is not exactly as yours. Is it because I don't have live data or something else? I'm on the 5-minute chart as well.
Yeah, most probably because of that live data.
Okay, got you.
If you have live data, then you'll see the same.
Same sort of, because yeah, I don't see the on the T5, I don't see green yet. I mean, it's not difference. There is a difference. It's yours is very near the white line. Mine is very away from the white line.
Right, right.
as well as the T55. It's still in blue. Yours has already started orange and blue combination.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think that's the problem. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Sure. Ashish, do you have a question?
Hi, Kishore, how are you?
Yeah, good, Ashish. Please go ahead.
Hey, when I opened this trade profit thing and saw that there was a Ninja connection. They gave me some license ID. So what's the significance of that?
Because again, if you want to install replicant or you want to use NinjaTrader for algo trading, you can use that license. Then, then you have full features of NinjaTrader. You can
All right,
download
but
it, but
I don't have to, right? Like for
you
example,
don't
if
have to.
trade,
Yeah, it's not
okay,
mandatory, but yeah, if you want, you can just import that license.
okay, so that license helps me with that. Ninja Trader has that $12 a month data set cost, right? Um, is that license help me sort of not use that? Like no need of that subscription?
Not really. Earlier Ninja, we had to have some license to install it, but now they made it like a open source. So even without license, you can just install NinjaTrader and you can do it.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't. I mean, I know you were talking to folks about 150K account. I just did 50K account in Take Profit Trader. Like,
Yeah.
what's the why? I mean, if you can walk me through why do you suggest 150 and not lower?
So 50K, the advantage is you can quickly complete the target, you can quickly get the payouts. But the problem is if you try to take a one bad trade in the US hours with ESR and Q, suddenly it can blow the account
Got it.
because your
Got
stop loss is only $2,000. One big candle with NQ can
it. Mm-hmm.
suddenly, whereas with 150K it is 4,500. So even if you make a mistake, slowly you can next two three trades you can recover it back
Okay.
in that way. And also, right, it is not just about evaluation. In the performance account also you want to, because that is like your gold mine, your performance accounts.
Right. Right.
You want to
So can we
hold your
not change it
accounts.
later?
If you get to 50K, they will give you 50K performance account. If you get to
Oh, I
150K,
see.
they will give you 150K performance account.
Oh, I see. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't know that. So,
Mm.
yeah,
Right, yeah.
we'll
But if you have
probably.
150K performance accounts, easily every day you can make 500 in each account. If
Yeah,
you, for example, if you see a big sell order block here with ES, whenever it goes there, you can take one or two shots. Within few minutes, it will make $400-500. If you have five performance accounts, that is $2,500 done for the day.
that's right.
So,
Yeah, I just did 50 for now. Maybe I'll do that as I think we can do multiple accounts on that, right? So, yeah.
yeah, you can take up to, yeah, they'll give you up to five pro accounts. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. And the trading view connection when I did I believe that connection would be initially when I do the test, it will be for demo account, right? For trade away.
Mhm.
Yeah, because they were erroring out. The trading view were erroring out, saying that I don't have
Yeah,
access.
first you have to complete the signature process. You have to go to TraderWeight, give the company credentials, and
I
then
did all that. Yeah, I did all that. Yeah.
once you do all those things, then you should be able to connect to TradingView. If still you are not able to connect, that means your account might be pending status. You have to create a ticket with Take Profit Trader. They will reset it, then you will be able to connect.
So I think so. Two things, right? First is that for the trade away, uh, right now I'm just doing the test, so that will be demo account, right?
Right. Yeah. First thing, whenever
Okay.
you buy any TraderWeight account, you have to go to trader.traderweight.com. Whichever company you bought it, they will give you a credentials for the TraderWeight. You have to put those credentials.
I
You have
did
to
that. Yeah.
complete all the signature process, everything. And
Right.
then you have to go to TradingView, select a demo, and provide the same credentials again here.
Perfect. Perfect. I did that exact same thing. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. And
Mm.
last thing, when I signed up, there was this hotel card that you were offering. Um, I haven't received that. I don't know if you still do that or.
You can send me an email. We send it to everyone who signed up during that period. But yeah, we'll check it and we'll send it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, I did around that MLK day. I know you had extended that offer at that time, so.
Sure. Yeah. Please send an
Yeah.
email.
Okay.
It will not come from my email address. It will be some
That's
some
fine.
travel company. So maybe it might went to your spam or something. Let's check it.
Okay. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Sam.
Thanks, Kish.
Sure. Sam, do you have any questions or okay? I think
Hey,
already.
Kishore, sorry to bother you again. I checked back. I have the live data on my trading view. So still it shows lagged. Not sure if any setting needs to be done. I can share my screen. Yours and mine look
Session
different.
because it's there are a few more members who are lighting it up.
Okay,
So
fine.
every day we
Yeah.
have setup session from 6 to
Yeah,
7:30, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I can talk to you. No problem.
Venkat, do you have any questions?
Kishore, I was going to ask you about the CBR lines in T3 indicator. I do not see them come in my.
Yeah, I think I
indices.
did not publish those changes. Tomorrow I'm thinking whether it is needed or not because that will unnecessarily sometimes that might give a wrong impression also. Right? Today also I thought it will be a choppy day, but actually it dropped so much. So by looking at that, I felt like ES will be choppy today.
Got
But
it.
so I'm still debating whether that will be helpful or better not to have those. I'm still
Sure.
testing that.
Sure, Kishore. And so today, I think you shared one of the member made like 16K using the bot, right? So when if the bot enters a trade, will it? I mean, what happens is what we have seen today is that after a big drop, there was some amount of consolidation, and then another big drop happened. So, what would the bot have done today if we entered into a short position with it? I mean, would it wait in the consolidation zone, or would it exit and get back into another trade?
It will exit and enter, right? But whenever there was a big drop, so initially when it is in consolidation, we'll have small losses. But when that big drop happened, then it will wait for the full profits and come out. So whenever we have big events or any news, then these bots will help us a lot because whenever there is a big uptrend or downtrend, the bots will hold the trade for longer. As right, we cannot hold for after watching for 5,000, 10,000, we cannot keep the trade open. Even when it makes 1,000 itself, we'll be very happy. We'll close the trade.
Correct. Agree with you. Yeah. Sure. Also, I'd just like to share. I mean, I have heard quite a few members say that they have blown their accounts today, right? I was able to make like $2,000 just with MNQs today.
Awesome. So
So
with manual trading or
with manual trading. So what I have done is I started with two MNQs. But if I end up being on the wrong side of the trade, all I need is one candle, one big candle.
right?
Right. So what I do is I just jump into doing the DCA. So I did that in about 7 or 8 trades today. I made about $2,000.
Awesome. Yeah. Actually, that is a good approach with MNQ. That is the advantage. You can you can do that averaging. If you are in a opposite side, if you are in right side also, you can add. If you are in wrong side also, you can add and bring your trade to profit finally. When we do with NQ, all right, we don't have that possibility to add one more NQ or two. That will actually make it worse if you add one more NQ if you average
So
NQ
do
or
you
ES.
trade like take one ES, one MES, one MNQ, and you average if it goes other way?
No, I do not take. I do not touch ES and NQ. I only trade with the two
Yeah.
MNQs, two of them. So if I am in the right direction, I'll keep adding two more, two at a time. to the existing trade. And if I end up being on the wrong direction, what I need is just one candle to drop, right? I mean, if let's say if it is bullish, at least we will come across one red candle in between, right? So that red candle is all I look for. The moment I see that it is dropping, I just jump into uh, let's say I have two MNQs already in the trade. I jump in with 4 times, 5 times the existing
Okay.
existing ones. So if I have 10, if I have two MNQs, what I do is I add 10 more MNQs to average it out very fast and close it immediately.
Got it.
Yeah, that's a good strategy. So I think even Shiva and others are following it. Sam also yesterday mentioned when you use MNQs, MES, your chances you will not blow your accounts. And also, yeah, this one when you are suddenly the trend reverses or something where you can easily average and finally come out with a profit.
Okay, right. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, thanks, Venkat. Yeah. Hey, Naishwara, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So today only I subscribed for 5 indicator plan, and also I got 2 accounts from Take Profit, 2 accounts from Blue Knox, and 2 accounts from Elite Trader. All those eval accounts.
Okay.
I want to get started. So where do I start? I want the Replicanto and other trading view configuration details.
So we have a setup video if you go to the premium channel, click on that search for induction document. You
Okay.
have a document with all the videos, or if you need any after watching the videos, if you have any questions, every day we have setup session from 6 to 7:30 on weekdays, or it could be
CST?
yeah 6 to nearly 8 p.m. CST. We have that setup session. 8 to 9
Evening.
we have right. Yeah,
Okay.
you can join there and we'll help you if you have any questions.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Krishan.
Sure. Yeah. Hey Satyaranjan, do you have any questions?
And
Yeah,
one more thing, sorry. Do I need to work only on the trading view, or do I need Ninja Trade also, or Ninja Trader also?
Ninja is mainly needed for Replicanto software. Otherwise, we don't or if you want algos, you need Ninja, or if you want Replicanto, you need Ninja. Otherwise, we only use TradingView for all our trading.
Okay. So trading view, I can trade everything, and for Replicanto, just for Replicanto, we have to use Ninja Trade. But is there any license fee for the Ninja Trade, or only for Replicanto?
Only for Replicanto. Ninja is
Oh.
free.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will go through the video and I'll set up, and if I have questions, I'll ask in the support sessions.
Sure. Yeah. Hey, Satyaranjan, please go ahead.
Yeah, I had a question about the algo. I'm thinking to subscribe, but the question is, do we need to have the PA account for the algo or EA account?
Yeah, it can be anything. You can trade
Okay.
on your personal account or EA account or PA account. The
Okay.
algo we have to just
Okay.
look at which stickers are bullish, which are bearish. We should not choose something which is just moving choppy. If we look at some bullish or bearish, then algos will make good profits.
Right. And just one account, or there also like you can copy trade?
There also you can use Replicanto, yeah.
Okay.
If your account
And
you connect to the algo, you can make that as a leader account in Replicanto.
understood. And suppose I have 5 take profit which I am using for manual. Can I take another take profit another 5 account for the algo? Or?
You can take it on your spouse name because they will allow only 5 pro accounts at a time.
Right. But I can take ETF, right? ETF.
Yeah, you can take ETF or you can take profit trader on your spouse name, and then you can use.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
So I think you completed around 9,000 or something, right, on all your 150K accounts?
Yeah, I 550 150K account ETF I passed, which I changed into PA account tonight, and five 150 take profit are I was almost 157 on each, but like many versus MNQ and NQ today took so many, so I'm on again lost like 3K on each, and 150K account blown up because of the MNQ. Even MNQ blown up account, not NQ. MNQ also blown up account.
But MNQ, are you
So
taking 10? If you take 10 MNQ, then that is equal to 1 NQ. If
right, no, I took two. I even took two. It went down almost 900 something like that.
right, yeah.
Yeah. So
Today's
today,
drop was
today, many members blown up their account because of MQ or MNQ.
right. Yeah, but good job. Yeah, good job,
Yeah. Thank
Satyaranjan.
you. Yeah. So my those 50K ETF are now PA. Today I paid
Are you
one time
are
$360
you funded on
dollar.
Allied Trader?
You only do MNQs too, MNQ MES too, or you do everything?
I just do MNQ, only MNQ.
Only MNQ. You
Yeah.
don't follow Kishore Garu to during the live session.
I 9 to 5 I'm in job. So night I do whatever Kishore like today NKD, yes, but when I am doing myself I just do MNQ.
Okay.
Yeah, good job, awesome. Yeah, I saw that yesterday. Yeah, your members and yeah, they are very awesome.
Yeah.
You have to share your success story soon in next 1
Yeah,
2 weeks with some
yeah, I will.
payouts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Hey,
cool.
Kishore, I'm still trying to get connected to Lead Trader funding. Somehow I'm not able to connect the site. I tried with the different browsers too. So not sure what I'm doing or why is it not connecting.
Maybe go to that private private browser mode.
I did. I tried that too. It's not
Mm,
connecting. I don't know
or
why.
try from a laptop or iPad or phone, something like that.
Okay, I'll try from something
Because
else.
yeah, they have some issue with their website. Sometimes it works fine. Sometimes yeah, I also saw that.
Is it once you take their evaluation account, how much is their funded? Like how much you have to pay to get performance?
Again, they have monthly plan also, $80 per month.
The
Their
one
funded
you
is
shared yesterday, the diamond handed one, is that $36 per month?
right,
So if you clear that, then I think every time you have one time fee, right?
right, yeah.
Is that how much?
I think that is again that also you can do either 80 or 350 for one time.
I see. So that also you can take per month. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, I
Right.
did tonight 5 ETF 360 each
360, yeah.
one time.
Okay. So Kishore, when you turn into a profit, do you have to have an ETF like some minimum day trading, or you can start taking from the first day?
No, in ETF you have to do 10 days.
10 days. Okay.
Yeah, only take profit trader is where you can take profits on day one.
Yeah.
Actually, there is three more websites, Puridia and others are also doing that now. But yeah,
So Kishore, I saw in Tradify they are also launching something called Tradify Live. Do you know what that is?
that is the stage three.
Oh, before it was not okay, but I thought that's already they were already that. So that's why I was confused.
Yeah, because all this time they are in stage two, but now slowly they are moving some traders to stage three.
I see. Okay. Thank you.
Right. Sumesh, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. So I was seeing your documentation drive, Google Drive. So there you mentioned to select Heikin-Ashi candles for these indicators,
Yeah,
but I
that is
think
for our yeah. If you are using only top trend or something, we were using Heikin-Ashi. Now for this price pulse and lot of other indicators, now we use normal candles.
okay,
Only if you use a top trend indicator, then we use yeah we use
okay,
Heikin-Ashi.
Yeah. Okay. So other question is, so I was looking to the chart in the morning in the MQ main queue. So then morning it was like it was showing back to back buy and sell, but some of them even giving all three indicators confluence also. So then in that case, I mean, how do we know? Like, I didn't take anything, but I was seeing that after in the afternoon.
Yeah, it was choppy for nearly 1.5 hour. It was moving up and down. So that's where we look at the trend strength. If generally the
Okay.
trend strength is looking very weak, then better we avoid those tickers. For
Okay.
example,
So
now in 5 minutes,
okay.
it is very weak. So don't trade in the 5 minutes. That means the trend is neither bearish nor bullish.
Okay.
If you
So
try to take a trade in 5 minutes, it may go up, come down, go up, come down. We'll end up in losses.
okay. So what is then? It has to be if it is above what number it will be green.
Should be about 20, it will be green. But if it is about 25, that means there is a proper strength.
About 25, you said.
Yeah. If it is about 25, we can confidently take the trades in the direction.
Okay. And the momentum, what is the number for that?
Generally, if it is above 50, it will be green.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. That's all.
Yeah, Mahesh, do you have any questions?
Yes,
Kirti, do you have any?
hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, for some reason my candle is like a small line. I'm not able to see the way you have the candles.
You have to change your candle type. Might be something like you have a different candle type. Here you
Oh,
see different types of. You might have bars or something. You should select
yeah.
candles.
Okay, where do I don't see that option to
Yeah,
where
after
you
your time frames, you will see
yeah,
this
see the
candle.
time frames also for you it shows up like in a line, right? 1 minute, 2 minute, three
Yeah, you
minute.
have to.
For
You
me,
can select, make them as favorites. Whenever you make them as favorites, they will show like this.
okay. So the same way for candles also there should be some setting.
Right. Yeah. Or tomorrow we can help you in the setup session.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure,
Kirti, do you have?
just regarding to the issue, what we happened, right? Regarding the accounts, I just want to let you know, right? We also try to trade, right? In your absence. So what's happening is all our accounts stop loss is not at the same point. Our maximum loss allowed, and there are certain limits. When we are going with you, we don't keep the stop loss. So we are like that confident, right? So though our
Right.
accounts are 150, our stop losses are like, yeah, it's hard to manage. I just wanted to let you know. That's why I think many of our accounts are lost. I was not aware too that mine will be blown today, but yeah, it did. That was the case. So it is not
Right.
the daily loss
Right.
limit, but it's the actual account loss limit was hit.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's why it is right because
Yeah,
everyone's account size is different or everyone's
yeah,
right.
yeah,
The amount of profits we made. For example, today evening, if I make some $2,000 profit,
yeah,
that
yeah,
means now I can take little more risk and hold the trade for longer time.
yeah,
But if you made only 300, 400 profit,
yeah,
so that's why yeah we have to define our own stop loss and then
yeah,
yeah based on our risk also. So that's where that learning knowledge will help.
yeah.
Yeah. Kirti,
Yeah, okay, sure. So can I quickly share my screen?
is it any setup issue or?
No. The replicant stuff and the chart, I have it out.
Now, if it is anything which you can quickly ask, right? Because if we
Yeah,
start that, it will go for
replicant, right? For an example, I opened a couple of questions. So the few questions get closed and a few is not getting closed. And it's keep on
maybe
happening.
they
It's not
did you put a limit order? You put a
I
limit
yeah
order?
now currently I have limited order, but to like 1.5 hours before I tried with market order as well. No, when I am buying, if I put market order, it's filling. But when selling also, if I click market order, even that time only first I am having 7 account, right? Only in 2 accounts it getting filled. Remaining 5 accounts it not getting filled, and I'm unable to close. I manually go to the trade weight and manually right click and manually close. That's what I'm doing. Just I
Generally,
quickly need to show you once.
if you do market order, it should close because whatever is the price, it will just close at that price. If you do
Okay.
limit orders, definitely that can happen where can close in some, it may not close in some.
Okay, and flatten. So in a replicant by flowbots, right? There is a flatten into symbol, right? Can I click that one? Just close the order, or it will do something with the
No, it
account
won't do
also.
anything. It will just close all the open positions.
The flatten option. Okay, fine.
Mhm.
And one more thing, even if in your screen, right? You have your screen, right? Your screen is open. So in 2.385K sell orders are there, right? It's sitting up. That's what you used to tell,
Mhm.
correct? Yeah.
Mhm.
So whether that is waiting to execute or it's already executed.
Waiting to execute. Or yeah,
No,
basically
if you,
they
for
are.
an example, if you move the chart all the way to right, so what I observed, right, in futures, I observed this one. For an example, if you all the way, no, the left side, a bit more, yeah, a bit more, please. Yeah, okay. You play, yeah, it's there. So there is a huge red candle, right? If you place the red candle, that is what the volume it's showing there.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's what the volume is. That's what I thought of sharing my screen. I will better explain to you.
Yeah, basically, right.
So if you,
So
if you place, yeah, that one. If you
somebody
place
placed
your,
that many sell orders, but all the orders will not get filled at the same time, right? So there are still some orders waiting to get. So that's why price went there, it came down. Again, price went there, came down. So that's what I told, right? If we wait here, price comes here, it will drop. So it dropped nearly 10, 12 points, right? There is a $600.
yes, right. Okay, better next time I will share my screen and I will explain you better. So even if I go there, I can see the volume. The sell happened for 200K, 2K contract sell happened, but still it shows as some sell order is waiting there. That confuses. So sometimes it break and it
No,
will go move
that's what,
forward.
right? All 2000 contracts will not be filled at same time,
No, I saw the
right?
volume in a volume chart or a volume indicator. If we go and see what is the buy volume, what is the sell volume, I can see the some around 2000 has been filled. Some 91% has been filled over there. 95%. Only 5% was remaining. But the 5% when you 5% easily break when it's moving upward.
Yeah, again, now market will have less volume. So we have approximately 2% remaining. So whenever price is going there, that's why it is dropping still because there are some orders which are still waiting to be filled.
Yeah, agree, Kishore. In the morning time also, I observed the same thing. A couple of times I observed. Just thought of checking with you.
Sure.
Um, okay, next time I will give you a better example. Now I know it might be in stocks it's working fine, but futures I see some discrepancies. Just thought of checking.
Yeah, no, you can see here itself, right? It went all the way, touched the sell order block, then dropped. Again, tried to go up because now if
Well,
there are too many buyers, then it would have broken this. But because
correct,
the volume
correct.
is
But
less,
that 2K is already executed item. How it
right? Order book had this many orders, but now we have 2% pending
It's
now.
not.
Still that
It's
many
not
sell
broke.
orders are.
That's the number of limit orders sitting there in that much price range from
no,
387.
no, 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 no. That's not. It's already executed orders. If you go right to the chart, you will understand. But yeah, okay, sure, yeah.
We have a few more, right? Out of that entire order block, still there are few more orders which are still waiting.
Okay,
But yeah,
okay.
sure. Yeah, Kiran bhai, do you have any questions?
Kishore Garu,
And
can
one
I
more thing,
clear
sorry,
my
is the last
screen
question.
again?
Sorry to interrupt. So my replicant is asking to upgrade. So I simply upgrade, or I need to use your.
Yeah, I shared a Google Drive, right, where I copied the software. You can just download it and you can upgrade.
Yeah, okay, then I don't need to do anything on license or mission ID and all those
No,
things.
nothing. Yeah,
Okay, fine. I just copy paste your latest version and start using that one.
that's it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Kishore garu, I'm trying to share my screen. I logged in phone and my laptop also, but I don't have that feature to share in my
Right. Yeah.
laptop. Can you
Because
check?
it is already too late. I'm not yeah, asking anyone because if I allow one, then I
Okay.
have to allow everyone.
Okay,
But
got it.
you have any
Yeah,
quick question?
just
Let me know.
just a quick
Otherwise,
question. That ES, like MES, can you please go to in your screen MES, please once
mm,
in a 5 minutes? I was confused about this. In the price pearls, around 10 o'clock, like when you see the big green candle, uh, before that it says PP sell. So like after it comes sell, it's a big up, and then
because there are
next
such,
to
so
the
overall here you have it is in a buy, right? This one is in
yes,
buy. This one is in buy.
uh-huh.
And we have some
Okay,
buy orders here. So
okay,
it went below the line, but immediately some buyer stepped in. So
uh-huh.
immediately price suddenly there was a big candle up.
Okay,
Then
and
again sellers.
yeah, the next to that also it says PP buy, and then all the way it dropped up to
That's why we don't use 5 minutes in the evening. When the volume is
mm,
choppy,
mhm.
you should not use 5 minutes. If you use 1 minute
1 minute. Okay,
or 2 minutes,
okay,
then you got a PP buy. It went all the way up, nearly 20,
uh,
30 points up.
yeah,
Now you got a PP sell. Again, it went to 20, 30 points down. So in the evening hours, you should not use because by
use
the
the
time you
5 minutes.
get a buy signal, it will start dropping because of the choppy nature.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I was confused about that 5 minutes. I keep on trying to buy at 5 minutes time. When I see
Only,
it says buy.
only
Yeah.
during US hours, use 5 minutes. In
Okay.
non-US hours, 1, 2, or maximum 3 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
And
3 is the
one,
max. Yeah.
no, three is the maximum in the evening times.
Right. Evening and morning before 8:30.
Okay. And yeah, one more question about that accounts, the prop accounts. I have a elite trader and I'm planning to take another prop firm. So two together, can I connect to TradingView?
No, you cannot connect to TradingView together. You have to
Oh,
use Replicanto software to
okay. So
connect.
I need to gel the amount to you and request to install that software. Is that correct?
Right. But what I suggest is first you get experience with one prop firm. Otherwise, if you
Okay.
make mistakes, then you will make mistakes in all the accounts together, right? So it is
Oh,
better
yeah.
you once you gain the confidence, you can always add more and more companies.
Okay. Sure. I will do that.
Yeah.
Okay. And the Elite Trader, they gave me some offer. Instead of 165, they charged me $29. There are some 90% off or something. So the next month renewal, are they
Yeah.
going to charge the
That
full
will
price?
be 29 for lifetime. Yeah.
Or 29 for lifetime? Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you. That's it.
Sure.
Kishore, one quick question. So, what is that order block and the bracket percentage represent?
Basically, yeah, you can treat that as that was the volume at that point, right? 334 buy orders or
Okay.
334 volume was there with that many orders, and this percentage represents how many more are pending.
How many more pending to fill?
Yeah.
Okay. And at the top, you see that horizontal red and green bar, right? In the order block, what is that many? In the order block, you see in the premium, I mean, above itself, you
Mhm.
see horizontal, yeah, in that, it's a
Yeah.
horizontal red
So
and green.
basically, yeah, just look at the font size. This is it red color or green? If it is red, that means it is a sell order block.
Okay. And
If
then
it is
within
green,
that,
it
there is a
is
green, right? Within that
yeah.
red,
So
yeah.
a volume will always have some buy transactions, some sell transactions. So
Okay.
that's why just it is to show that it is there are some buy orders, sell orders. The picture is represented with green and red, but yeah, always we look at okay, what is the number?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Good night, and talk to you tomorrow morning. So again, all about waiting for that confluence. If you get a sell close to premium, or if you get a buy close to discount, that is a good opportunity along with the other confluence. So that's it. If we just follow that, then most of the time we can make profits. Good night, everyone. Talk to you in the morning.
Good night. Thank you.
Yeah.